Hey guys, this is how to disable or enable or turn off the microphone in your Android. So let's get into it. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your settings, and here in your setting menu you have to just find an option of your apps or the apps management and click to open it. And here you will find an option of permission manager. Tap on it. You can also search this option directly from your search bar of your settings. Like you have to just write permission manager in your search bar of your settings, and here you will get this option. You have to just tap to open it. So once you are here in your permission manager, you have to just find the option of microphone here. Click on it, and now here you can see all of the apps for which you have allowed your microphone settings. So here what you need to do, you have to just simply click on the application for which you want to turn off your microphone settings. Like I am selecting here these messages, and then you have to just click on the deny. Once you're done, you have to just repeat this process for all of the apps if you want to turn off this option for your all the apps. Similarly, you have to just simply click on the app for which you want to disable the setting of microphone, and then click on the deny. So repeat this process for all of the apps. Similarly, if you want to enable this option of microphone for any of the app, you have to just simply click on any of the app and then click on allow. So yes, that's how to turn off or turn on the microphone on your Android phone. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a big help for you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.